weeks without the sun. Shadow on the wall, frozen at the window like ash about to fall. This voice, not mine, just echoes down an empty hall. Is it me or just the wind? Where do I stop? Where does it begin? Shadowed morning, quiet scream, caught between the real and dream. Is it life or just a scheme? Shadowed morning, lost in steam. Clock hands tick but time stands still. The air feels like a stone. Every sound is hollow here, I'm never quite alone. Whispers crawl along my skin, but they're not my own. Oh. If I move, will I dissolve? If I stay, can I resolve? Questions looping, spinning tight, circles chasing, losing light. Shadowed morning,